Do you ever gaze at the night sky and wonder about our place in the universe? In the grand canvas of celestial bodies and cosmic phenomena, there have been those who dared to question the status quo, to challenge the conventional wisdom of their time. We call these brave individuals the martyrs of space science. They were the visionaries who, against all odds, sought to understand the universe in all its vastness and complexity. Their groundbreaking theories, their revolutionary beliefs about the makeup of the universe, often put them at odds with the powers that be. They faced persecution, ridicule, and even death for their audacious ideas. But even in the face of such adversity, they never wavered. They were the torchbearers of scientific truth, the pioneers who dared to question, to explore, to discover. Their sacrifices have paved the way for us to reach for the stars and uncover the secrets of the cosmos. Galileo Galilei, a man whose name is synonymous with the dawn of modern observational astronomy. A Tuscan astronomer, physicist, and engineer, Galileo's inquisitive mind and his telescope brought about discoveries that revolutionized our understanding of the universe. He revealed the moons of Jupiter, a system of celestial bodies revolving around a larger body, much like our own solar system. This finding was a direct challenge to the prevailing geocentric view of the cosmos, where Earth was considered the center of the universe. Galileo also observed the phases of Venus and mountains on the moon, further shattering the illusion of Earth's unique position. But the truth is often hard to swallow. Galileo's discoveries were not met with applause, but with vehement opposition. His support of the heliocentric model, where Earth and other planets revolve around the sun, was a radical departure from the accepted truths of the time. This wasn't just a scientific debate, it was a theological one. The powerful Catholic Church saw Galileo's beliefs as heresy, an affront to the divine order they staunchly defended. Facing the wrath of the Inquisition, Galileo was forced to recant his beliefs. The very institutions that should have championed the pursuit of knowledge instead sought to suppress it. Galileo was placed under house arrest, confined to his home for the remainder of his life. Yet, even in his confinement, Galileo's spirit remained unbroken. He continued to write, to think, to question. His determination and courage in the face of adversity laid the foundations of modern science. His story is a stark reminder of the price paid by those who dare to challenge the status quo. Galileo's commitment to the truth, his refusal to bow down to dogma, made him a true martyr of space science. Galileo paid the price for daring to question the status quo, a true martyr of space science. His legacy continues to inspire us, reminding us that the pursuit of knowledge often requires the courage to stand against the tides of convention. Johannes Kepler, a brilliant mathematician who deciphered the dance of the planets. This man, this genius, was the one who deciphered the celestial ballet, discovering the laws that govern the dance of the planets in the heavens above. Kepler was a mathematician first and foremost. His mind was a crucible of numbers and equations, a forge where raw data was transformed into groundbreaking scientific principles. He took the observations of his predecessor, Tycho Brahe, and through painstaking calculations formulated his 3 laws of planetary motion. His first law shattered the long-held belief of circular orbits, declaring that planets travel in ellipses with the sun at one focus. His second law introduced the concept of equal areas in equal times, a principle that demonstrated the varying speed of a planet during its orbit. And his third law, the harmonic law, established the relationship between the periods of planets and their distances from the sun. But these revolutionary ideas were met with resistance. Kepler's concepts were so radical, so contrary to the accepted beliefs of his time, that they were met with ridicule and opposition. His peers, those who should have been his greatest supporters, turned their backs on him, refusing to accept the mathematical truth he laid before them. Yet, Kepler did not falter. He stood steadfast in the face of adversity, his conviction in his scientific principles unwavering. He faced isolation, ridicule, and even threats to his life. Yet he refused to be silenced. He was a man driven by the pursuit of truth, a man who valued scientific progress over personal peace. Kepler's ideas, his laws of planetary motion, were instrumental in revolutionizing our understanding of the cosmos. His work laid the foundation for Newton's law of universal gravitation and paved the way for the astronomical discoveries that followed. Kepler sacrificed his own peace for the advancement of astronomy. His courage in the face of adversity, his relentless pursuit of truth, and his unwavering belief in his scientific principles are a testament to the power of scientific progress and the indomitable spirit of mankind. Giordano Bruno, a visionary who dared to conceptualize the infinite expanse of the cosmos. A Dominican friar by calling, Bruno was a philosopher, astronomer, and mathematician by passion. His ideas were far ahead of his time, and they challenged the very foundations of the universe as understood by the people of his age. Bruno dared to imagine a universe that was boundless, a cosmos teeming with countless worlds. His belief that the stars were distant suns, each with their own planets, was a radical departure from the accepted worldview. This was not a universe confined to the narrow sphere of the Earth and the celestial bodies that orbited it. No, this was an infinite universe, vast and filled with endless possibilities. Bruno was not just a dreamer, he was a brave soul who dared to voice his beliefs, knowing full well the risks involved. His ideas challenged the church's doctrine, and that was a dangerous game to play in the 16th century. For Bruno, the pursuit of knowledge, the quest to understand the universe, was worth any risk. It was a passion that consumed him, a fire that burned brighter than any fear of retribution. But the church was not ready to accept such revolutionary ideas. Bruno was branded a heretic, his teachings condemned. The very idea of an infinite universe filled with countless worlds was considered heresy, an affront to the established order. Bruno was sentenced to be burned at the stake, a gruesome punishment for daring to challenge the status quo. Even as the flames consumed him, Bruno remained steadfast in his beliefs. He was a martyr, not just to the pursuit of knowledge, but to the concept of an infinite universe. His courage and conviction have inspired countless others to continue exploring the vast expanse of the cosmos. Bruno's courage to explore the vastness of the cosmos cost him his life, a tragic martyr to the pursuit of knowledge. His legacy, however, lives on. His vision of an infinite universe teems with countless worlds, a concept we now accept as a fundamental truth. Bruno's sacrifice was not in vain. It paved the way for future generations to continue exploring the cosmos, to keep pushing the boundaries of our understanding, and to never stop questioning the nature of the universe. The torch of exploration and the thirst for knowledge still burn bright thanks to these martyrs. We've come a long way since the days of Galileo, Kepler, and Bruno. Their sacrifices, the trials they faced, the courage they displayed, have all played a pivotal role in shaping our understanding of the cosmos. They were the trailblazers, the pioneers who dared to question, to explore, and to dream. Galileo's telescope, a simple device by today's standards, opened the doors to a universe teeming with celestial bodies, revolving around the sun, not Earth. Kepler's laws of planetary motion, derived from meticulous observations and calculations, gave us the tools to predict the movement of planets and to better understand the grand cosmic dance. And Bruno, oh brave Bruno, his vision of an infinite universe filled with countless worlds set the stage for the realization that we are but a tiny speck in the grand scheme of things. His fiery end, a stark reminder of the price some have paid for the pursuit of knowledge. Today, their legacy lives on. Every time we peer into the night sky, every time a probe sends back data from the farthest reaches of our solar system, every time a new exoplanet is discovered, we stand on the shoulders of these giants. Their courage inspires us to push the boundaries, to ask the hard questions, to venture further into the unknown. In the face of persecution, they held fast to their beliefs. In the face of ridicule, they stood firm in their convictions. In the face of adversity, they dared to dream of a universe vast beyond comprehension. Their sacrifices remind us that the pursuit of knowledge, even at great personal cost, is a noble endeavor that transcends time and space. Their legacy is a testament to the indomitable spirit of human curiosity. They have left us a roadmap to the stars, a guidebook to the cosmos, and a beacon of hope that the secrets of the universe are within our grasp. In the face of adversity, they lit the way for humanity to uncover the secrets of the cosmos, one discovery at a time.